Yeah, it almost blew me right off the sled earlier. Oh, it's brutal, man. I'd say you done a good job so far. Yeah. Yeah, we went out, I think we started around 10 o'clock or 11, no, when was it? Might have been around noon. We dropped in Arthur there and we just did a small 45k loop, but yeah, it wasn't snow. It started snowing really good about halfway into it, and then we saw a groomer with an older Prenoth, like the thing was ancient, and stopped and chatted with him for a bit. I don't know if he was a newbie groomer, but he was just letting other sledders know he created this berm up near Con. So I said, no, we're not going that way anyways, but thanks for letting us know. But no, it was nice and warm yesterday, like +2, but you just couldn't see anything. That's right. I guess there's no perfect day. Yeah. There's still quite a good base out here though, man. Like really good. Oh, okay. Going out. Yeah. Go what? Jeez. Yeah, what are you doing? Like 10 kilometers or 10 miles?
10, 11 kilometers an hour. Not very fast.
No, kind of monotonous going that speed, right? It's like, oh. Yeah, yeah. It'll be nice once this trail loosens up a bit. All clear. Just get caught in everybody's ski. Just getting caught in everybody else's ski path. Yeah, oh yeah. got up regular time and all, but I was surprised to see that snow squall come through this morning. I thought I was going to have to go out, but it was just short and sweet. Yeah. 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 Yeah, with this cold, man, these communicators wouldn't have lasted very long.
No, the wind,
Yeah. To have that little inconvenience of just starting them back up again, it's not a big deal, right?
I wonder, adjust my microphone here. Okay.
At least it's all broken up. Oh yeah. I was saying to Chanel yesterday, you know what, you could have, that's where riding up north is kind of nice on really windy days. You ride in the bush and it can be windy all at once, but you're not going to feel it. No, you just want to ride wherever, right? Tall windshields, all the creatures. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to try muffs yet. I might just get some heated gloves and see if that helps out more.
The only thing with the heated gloves is that they're so thick, you have to work really hard.
Oh, what ones do you guys have? The FXR? Yeah, I think that's the problem. Those, like, the FX, they're so thick, right? That. Yeah, that. Yeah, Chanel's got the exact same problem. She's got the FXR Recons, but she never uses them for that same reason. So she switches back to her Climb gloves because they're so much thinner. So Climb has some heated gloves, so I don't know. I haven't tried a pair on yet, but I think, yeah, it's something to look into. Yeah, you need all the creature comforts, that's for sure. Man, it looks good either way. Jeez. starting to get greedy, right? Oh, I'm going to go right to the very end this year. I think so. I'm not 100% sure yet. Chanel kind of doesn't, and I probably shouldn't travel that distance by myself. Yeah, I mean I've done it plenty of times, but doesn't mean that next time's gonna be the one that, right? Yeah. So I don't know. I might just get out for another ride around. Geez, I'd even come back here tomorrow. This is beautiful. And just say skip the. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's the outdoors, man. Just being outdoors that's where it's at. Doesn't matter what you're doing, really. We're supposed to be out in nature, not cooped up in a house. Yep. Beautiful section. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever, if I've been on it. It was years ago. I don't remember, but yeah, this is nice. Straight. feels like you're way up north. Unbelievable. Oh. Yeah. What the heck? I put everything back to stock settings on these shocks, and you know what? It rides so plush. I guess the trail's over there. Right? Okay. Oh yeah, okay, I see. That's alright. It is what it is, right? Clear. Getting bumpy through here. Oh yeah? So out at Snow Parents, they are a dime a dozen out there, man. They're all over the place. It's crazy. coming here.
Yeah.